Are you tired of dealing with a malfunctioning key fob for your Ford or Lincoln vehicle? Look no further than the MechanMagic key fob replacement. Designed to seamlessly integrate with a range of Ford and Lincoln models, this key fob replacement offers convenience and reliability like never before. Compatible with FCC ID CWTWB1U793OUC60000022, this key fob replacement fits a variety of models including the Ford F-150, F-250, F-350, F-450, F-550, F-650, F-750, Explorer, and Expedition, as well as the Lincoln Navigator and MKX. With a frequency of 315 MHz and a 4-button design including remote start, it's engineered to meet your vehicle's needs perfectly. Each replacement comes fully installed and pre-tested, ensuring top-notch quality and performance. Plus, it includes batteries and electronics, so you can start using it right away. And with self-programming instructions provided, you can easily set it up yourself. Just keep in mind that if you don't have 2 working original keys, you'll need professional assistance for programming. It's important to note that this key fob replacement is not compatible with vehicles featuring a plastic ignition guard or push start button. However, for regular keyed ignition vehicles without an ignition guard, it's the perfect solution. Say goodbye to the hassle of dealing with a faulty key fob and upgrade to the MechanMagic key fob replacement today. Unlock convenience and peace of mind with this ergonomic, reliable solution for Ford and Lincoln owners. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.